Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Rivals on Xbox One. Marvel Rivals is an exciting new 6 vs 6 superhero team-based shooter that has captured many players' attention. It's currently available on PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X and S. However, a native version of the game is not directly available for the Xbox One console. Don't worry, there are still ways to enjoy the game. You might be wondering why Marvel Rivals isn't natively on Xbox One. Well, newer games like this often require more advanced hardware capabilities to run smoothly and look their best. The Xbox One's older architecture can limit game performance and graphical fidelity. Developers usually prioritize current-generation consoles, such as the Xbox Series X and S, to ensure players have the most optimal and immersive experience possible with the latest technology. Even though there isn't a native Xbox One version, you can still play Marvel Rivals through cloud gaming. Services like GeForce now enable you to stream the game directly to your Xbox One using its built-in Edge browser. This means the game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your console. You'll need a stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally at least 15 to 25 megabits per second, and a compatible cloud gaming account to enjoy this experience. Marvel Rivals is a fantastic game that offers dynamic 6 vs 6 superhero combat. You can choose from a diverse roster of over 40 iconic Marvel characters, each with unique abilities and strategic team-up skills. The game features destructible environments, adding another layer of strategy to every match. Whether you're playing on PC, a current-gen console, or streaming via cloud gaming on your Xbox One, you're in for a thrilling experience in the continually evolving Marvel universe. Gather your friends and jump into the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.